Welcome to this tutorial about exporting Jira Product Discovery ideas to Excel with Better Excel Exporter. To export a list of ideas, first collect them in Advanced Search. Prepare all ideas in a discovery project or apply any filters for exporting a subset of ideas. When you are ready, open the Export menu provided by Better Excel Exporter. Select the Excel Current Fields Export option. And voila, your ideas are exported into a native Excel spreadsheet. Better Excel Exporter automatically uses formulas to calculate summaries, averages, and other insights in your exported data, something you won't get with simple CSV exports or less advanced Excel exporter apps. Watch the next tutorial video to learn more or start a free trial today.